Hey everyone, caregiver. Hey, here with my bike. Okay. What I'm doing, this bike's awful quiet. I don't like that. Cars can't hear me. I've already had 2 cars try to move over on me, and both of them said, sorry, I couldn't hear your bike. Maybe not try to listen to it, but maybe look and see if somebody's there. But anyway, what I did, I seen YouTube videos about taking a hole saw and cutting out these baffles up in there. Okay? You see I got this one here cut out, but that one down there ain't done yet. But anyway, I cut this out and I want to show you. Now, I was a mechanic. I worked on everything, lawnmowers, all the way up to semis. This is your baffle, okay? Look at this. And this thing's not unplugged. The only place that this exhaust can go out of are these little bitty holes. That's it. A lawnmower muffler has more exhaust flow than what this thing has. This thing should have a little bit more power, both top and bottom end. Freaking Japanese, I don't know. But anyway, this is Caregiver. I just want to put a quick video up about this. I might pop another one up and just let you hear how it sounds after it's done, but this thing was quiet. It sounded, it was just way too quiet. But anyway, this is Caregiver. Peace the fuck out, people. Okay, guys. We got both of them cut out. There's my hole saw. It's a 2-inch. Now, I didn't use a metal hole saw. That's a wood hole saw. As you can see, there's still actually wood in there from projects I've done. But both these pipes are all done out, so let's see how this thing sounds now. I'll set the phone back here and we'll see how this sounds. Alright. There you have it, guys. That's much better. What you think? I say taking those baffles out is just like changing a whole new different exhaust on this bike. Now it's time to take this thing out, see if it's got any more power. Peace.